I'm back. We've entered the hot tub. Let's see what weird thing I'm gonna put in it today. Slime. I'm putting slime in the hot tub. And I'm pretending that this is a shock to you, but really I named the video title Slime, so this comes as no surprise to you. But we're gonna pretend you're surprised. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. So surprising, right? I'd also like to thank Dancing Lines for sponsoring this video so that we can get all these packets of slime. It's a lot of slime. And I also owe you guys a collab away winner. The collab away was basically where I was doing like a giveaway where I pick one of you guys to collab with. And if you don't win, don't be too sad because it's not like this is gonna be my last collab away ever. Let's be real. So without further ado, bum-ba-dum, ow. The collab away winner is... I'm writing the username because I know that I always misspell things. So here's the picture and the username. I'll message you. So without even more further ado, let's put some slime in the hot tub. Hopefully don't break it. I'm gonna play Dancing Lines. Okay, so basically this is like an addicting game where you listen to the beat of the music and guide the line by tapping the screen to make the sharp turns, but without touching any of the obstacles. And each level gets more difficult and faster, making it like more exciting as you play. It's so hard. So download Dancing Lines in the description box and see if you can beat my high score. And let me know what your high score is in the comment section. Okay, now that the slime is all slimy, I'm gonna put a bathing suit on. I'm just gonna wait for Milanka because she's gonna be here any minute and I don't want to go in alone. Milanka! I'm here! She's here! I don't think I like this. I don't think I like this one bit. Ew! 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 Here's a nice shawl for you. Here it is. Oh my gosh! I'm an alien or something. I believe I can fly. I've been standing at the edge of the water.
Yeah, you see like how slippery it is? It's actually kind of fun. How do you feel?
It won't come off my face. I don't know what to do.
I would wipe it, but my hands are slimy me too.
Why?
I don't know why. Can you do your hair real nice?
Yeah.
You look like Belle.
Thanks. We're gonna play Marco Polo. Marco! Marco! It's just, I hear you.
It's the first one.
We're gonna have a slime ball.
I just lost my... Do you like your crown?
No. Okay, what Milanka and I decided to do is that we're each gonna ask a question, and if anybody gets the question wrong, they get slammed into the slime! Which is, you don't know right now, but it's gross.
It's really gross.
Terrible. This is nothing like the old.
Nope. Nope.
How did I lose my first tooth?
You bit into something hard and then your tooth came out.
I tied a piece of floss to it and I attached it to the door.
I thought people only did that in movies.
That's why I did it. But it was like already like about to fall out.
Oh.
Like it was like if I flicked it, it would fall out.
Okay.
Slime angels! It's not the same! It's not the same! How old was I when I stopped peeing to bed?
5?
9.
Until what grade did I use a pacifier?
Grade?
Oh, that's nasty.
And if you look over here, you can see a young Milankosaurus grazing in the slime water. She's a rare species. She mostly just sits there and blows bubbles. That's all she does. Eventually they die because there's not much more to do than just blow bubbles in this slime water. This is terrible.
How did I lose my first tooth?
You bit into an apple and then you accidentally ate it.
Wrong. I fell onto a table and then it came out.
What?
Science lesson. What does it mean when an Orbeez is floating in the slime? It's the same density as the slime it's in.
Oh, I'm floating.
Bianca, be the science girl.
What was the first pet I have ever had?
A hamster?
No, a praying mantis.
Does that count as a pet? How long did you have it?
Like 6 months.
You think this is slime, but it's not.
A piece of the hot tub broke and I don't know what to do about it.
So I think the entire hot tub broke.
So, you gonna put slime in your hot tub now? Because I don't recommend it. I don't recommend it even in the slightest. But, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't see my previous 2 videos, click those down below and subscribe right over there if you're not subscribed already. Okay, I love you guys so much! Bye! One.